Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here. And if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft and also shop for craft supplies. And if you want to see these type of videos, just click that red button and subscribe to my channel. And I already opened the box, but I haven't seen the contents yet. So I got some products that were on sale at Studio Calico. I am going to leave the store information in the description box below. They sell all kinds of scrapbook supplies, very clean and simple, kind of modern prints. Well, you will see a variety of things in that website. I just love them. When they put things on sale, they are really good. So let's go ahead and open this up. So of course comes with this paper. And let's review. I'm going to take all the items. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Oops, sorry because of the noise. And let's look around. So, oh, look at this. So I got a lot of things there that were on sale, like $2 or $3, $5. So let's take a look at these things. So this was a bundle. Look at this tape. Isn't this cute? It's like black and white, kind of striped, just gorgeous. And this was a whole kit. Look at the paper, very festive, kind of summery or fallish. Look at that, very bright colors, right? Kind of like Santa Fe. Nice. And look at this acetate. Isn't this neat? So this whole kit was on sale. Some stickers. You see, everything is color coordinated. And some, ooh, hearts too. Nice, right? Plus a tape. And this one is, let's see. Oh, how neat. It's like a record player. It's like the old vinyls, record player, sticky notes. Gorgeous. And these are some journaling cards, like if you're into Project Life or even Happy Mail, where you can do tag flips or flip books. You can use these journaling cards as to embellish your pages. Or if you're a scrapbooker too, you can use them. And everything is color coordinated. Look at this. I love making memories with you. That's nice. That and all the colors. It's not what you look at that matters. It's what you see. How cute. Adventure. I heart this. Very nice. So everything is color coordinated. So I got this kit. Now let's take a look at these other papers and doilies that I got. So this was 4x6 paper pad, stripes, polka dots, crosses. Oh, I like that. Very nice. Like summer. Oh, look at this one. How beautiful. I know, I just love this company. They have like very clean and simple and patterns. Oh, and these are kind of like tickets. More. So this is really nice. Then the other 4x6 paper pad. Normally we use this in Project Life if you want to do like journaling cards or anything. I guess the use is up to you. Look at that. Oh, I love these houses. Look at those colors. Oh, gorgeous. And then this other one. More. I have some projects coming up, so definitely I need these. I got them because I need these colors. Oh, look at this one. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. It looks like the Maggie Holmes, but like in a different color. Gorgeous patterns. Look at these. Ampersand. stars. Oh, I love this one. Oh, nice. I hope you guys can see, but it's just like so beautiful. Oh. And this pad was called August Vintage. So I wonder the first one, did it have a name too? Oh, the first one, sorry, was Paper Index. So August Vintage, Paper Index. Then I got this other one. This is 6x6 paper, and let's see the name. It's called Live Love Paper Pad. So these are all the patterns, kind of like very neutral colors. Details. Oh, look at these flowers. Very nice. Oh, very cute. They repeat. Very nice. Yeah. And then got these golden doilies. Oh, you see, I can use also the glassine back for other things. So I got 2 sets. And look at the detail. It's gold foiled, but look at all the texture, and oh, it's just beautiful. So I got 2 of these. So they came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was 5 in each baggie. This other one is the same. And then I got 3. Yeah, there were 3 golden doilies. And then my last set that I got, okay, I got these. They're kind of like page markers, you want to call it, but look at that, how pretty. Goes along with all the other papers that I bought, the paper pads, very nice. And then I got these wooden spoons so I can decorate them. And oh, I love this tape. The tape is "You Are My Favorite." Nice. Then I got these. These are from Color Therapy, pink lemonade clips. I love these clips because they are very neat. They're quite open. You see that? And the color is just beautiful. I got that in pink lemonade, and the other one, it's clear blue. Let's open that up. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the last one, it's these are like mini embellishments, paper embellishments, like banners, and oh, look at these foxy, like for fall. Look at these, like pieces of, isn't this cute? Gorgeous. Look at the house, the flowers. It's just like fall theme colors. But again, things are going to look good with the August Vintage 4x6 journal cards. Love it. Love it, love it. So this is it. This is all the my small haul from Studio Calico. Again, I am going to leave the information of the store in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Bye.